We've got our toilet valve in. We've got our delivery pipe in, which is a through connection that's sealed. And we've got it to a garden hose. That's going to be our supply, which is the stand, keeps that out of the ground. So there it is. Time to test it. Yeah, go ahead and turn on the water. Go ahead and turn on the water. Let's see what happens. Let's see if they can drink out of it. It looks like it's a little too tall. All right, there it comes, starting to come now. I already had it set from before, but we'll have to wait and see. All right, looks like it could use a little height on the bowl. Let's see if how long it takes before they. Let's see how long it takes before they realize it's water. They'd rather drink the water out of the sand than the nice clean water that I've got there for them. Oh, we got a taker. It's a little too tall. I think if I was to get that wood, bury it in the ground just a little bit more. See the sand on her beak? She's got sand on her beak, so as soon as she puts it in that bowl, it's going to get in the water. And that's how all the sand gets in the water. But there's one. Whoops. That's not allowed. We don't like that. We don't like that. There's one good thing about this one, and that is this. I can put a new one. I'm letting it wash out, put it right back in place. Again, I can just cut a new one. It's right there. Nice. In action. Automatic chicken waterer in action. I just put some boards there to get them up a couple of inches. They'll reach it when they want to, but it's definitely going to be easier if they have a little help. This is where you just have to customize it for your situation. You can even put the reservoir in a room, put a piece of PVC pipe out of the room that curves up, that's right next to the side of a building or your coop, and the water just flows, and then now you've got a protected area where the reservoir is. Might also be for cold weather too. Seems to be the new thing in town. See, they'll just get right up on that thing. You gotta put it in a predicament that they can't get up there. This is the other one that I built. You can see the cup is very dirty, ready to be changed out. That's a little bit different concept with the T-handle and such. The first original automatic chicken water with a similar design. This one just uses a 2-liter bottle as the drinking bowl, strictly to be able to be changed out from time to time instead of left to get dirty. Most of that, what you see there, is algae, which basically as soon as the sun hits the water, it's going to make algae. But you can see that I have it in a predicament where they do not roost on that bucket. That's a key element. And they don't roost on the water either, but they do know where their water is.